Jeric Ahamnisi for the win. Pinag-split pa si Alter dito. Gandang galaw for Ralph. So tara't ating saksihan ang naganap sa laban ng Pilipinas kontra sa Maldives.
No, I think that was a point of emphasis. Ooh. So Ike with that.
Ooh, big boy
last
going to work down style, won't stop. Uh-oh.
Ooh, up there.
And one.
Count it.
And Kuhn is not even like to utilize with that with Ike Wajid.
But Chris Cole on that last bucket. Ooh, clever little four. Maldives sticking in there. Ahamnisi.
Right back at you, baby. You cannot look at the matchup and say, oh, easy day. No, it's a great event.
Gotta enjoy these opportunities.
Yeah, man, it's just a great event.
Knack for calling plays before they happen. I gotta give it to you. Ooh.
Skill set, the guards that are creative and aggressive and trying to shoot that too. Right now, very much like Team Japan. And the fact is that you're intrigued by this different play. Just play fast.
Yep.
It's okay.
Yep.
If you're big, then look. No, I'm just not calling it. Interesting matchup. I really like this game.
He managed to close out. So that is one of the advantages we've seen, using that quickness to the advantage. Hey, Kawali, the Kawali Bear.
And one.
Alter now at the strike. Cone. Ooh, bad miss.
If it has to be last second, then you dump it off last second. They call him the Cookie Monster.
Indeed. Cookie is fed.
And that plays in the hand of the Philippines. I got
Such a person.
Yes, I'm sure you have never heard.
Ball-headed, kind of big fella. You knew he was going to be a problem potentially in this game.
There catches it. Good job. Back to back will tell you that he loves it.
Oh, that's love.
There you go.
Ooh, hand up. Your vows. You're going to say your prayers. That's all you can do.
Time and infiltrating. I'm just glad he didn't hurt himself.
Me too.
Because when you go do the splits, it was organic, brother.
I think
It
that
was
was-
organic. Commentator.
So ito nga ang unang laban ng Pilipinas this FIBA 3x3 Asia Cup kung saan nakakuha nga agad sila ng panalo. Kung saan binubuo nga po ng mga players itong Pilipinas gaya nila Jeric Ahamnisi, Ralph Koo, Chris Kuhn at si Sean Alter. So abangan nga natin mamaya makakalaban ng Pilipinas itong Thailand na pinangungunahan nitong familiar face sa mga Pinoy na si Freddy Lish and Jack Rawan.